Hi there, I bet you're curious to find out what I have hidden here underneath this towel. If you'll give me just a couple of seconds, I'll explain a little bit. This has to do with eggs today. So you probably already know that very, very little birds lay very little tiny eggs. So the smallest bird in the world, do you know what bird that is? If you said hummingbird, you're right. And they lay the tiniest little eggs, probably no bigger than the size of my pinky fingernail, if that. Did you also know then that very, very big birds lay much bigger eggs? So I'm going to actually reach into my basket and I have eggs from different birds. And we're going to see if we can play a bit of a guessing game and figure out which bird laid which egg. So I'm going to reach under my towel here and I'm going to pull out an egg that I'm sure you will recognize. Do you know which kind of bird laid this egg? It's not going to be a very big bird because you can see it fits in my hand nice and small. This is an easy one. These are the same kind of eggs you probably buy at the grocery store. Do you know the bird? If you said chicken, you were right. So I'm going to reach in here and pull out another egg to compare with this first one. Let's see. Check that out. They're not the same color. This one is kind of a beigey sort of white color compared to my brown chicken egg. Are they close in size? I think they are. So the bird that laid this egg must be close in size to the chicken that laid this egg. Do you know what bird laid this one? It's a bird you find in the park. And I'll give you a bit of a hint. It says quack, 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 quack. Have you figured it out yet? You probably guessed duck, didn't you? So I'm going to set my chicken egg on my table here and hope it doesn't roll away on me. And I'm going to move my duck egg to this hand and I'm going to see if I can find another egg. There you go. Did you say wow? Because I sure did. So obviously the bird that laid this new egg is much bigger than a duck. Do you know which bird laid this egg? I'll give you a hint. It has webbed feet just like the duck, but obviously it's a bit bigger. Any ideas? How about another hint? If you go to the park, you might see this bird running around. They're not the friendliest bird in the world. Quite often they'll hiss at you when they're upset. Do you know what bird this is yet? If you guessed goose, you are right on track. So I'm going to set my duck egg down here beside my chicken egg. I'm going to put my goose egg over here and I'm going to reach into here and pull something out. Wow, that egg is much bigger, isn't it? Which means this bird is obviously much bigger than a goose. Do you notice it looks quite often, people say, like a football? It's a bit different shape. Not sure if you can see the color here. It looks to me like it's black, but it's actually dark, dark green. I'm also told it looks kind of like an avocado, but I promise you, it's an egg. And it's an egg that is laid by a bird that does not live on our continent. You might see them on farms, you might see them in a zoo, but normally they live in Africa. Okay, can you guess what it is? Starts with an E. If you guessed emu, you are exactly right. So I'm going to put my goose egg down here. Now, move my emu egg over to this side. Do you think I have a bigger egg? If you think I do, you're right. What is the biggest bird in the world today? Do you know? It doesn't live on this continent either. It lives in Africa. Look at that. Is that much bigger? Do you know what bird this is? Starts with the O sound. Do you know what bird that is? If you said ostrich, you are exactly right. That is the biggest egg that you will find. It's the biggest bird out there today, and that is the egg that it will lay. I'm going to set down my emu egg over here, and I'm going to grab my chicken egg. And if you'd like math, kind of like I do, then can you guess how many chicken eggs it takes to equal one giant ostrich egg? Do you think it's 10? It's not. It's 24. 2 cartons of chicken eggs will equal 1 ostrich egg. All right, I'm going to set my ostrich egg down very carefully and set my chicken egg down so you can see a bit of a comparison. Let's hope they don't roll too badly, of all of the eggs that I have here. There you go. And that's it for today.